Want to speak real Chinese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ChineseClass101.com.
Hi, 大家好，我是李茵如。Hi everyone, I'm Yinru Li. In this lesson, we'll be taking a close look at days of the week in Chinese. Now on the whiteboard, I've listed 7 days of the week in Chinese. So let's start from Monday. Monday in Chinese is 星期一, 星期一. And then Tuesday, 星期二, 星期二. Wednesday, 星期三, 星期三. And then 星期四, 星期四. 星期五 is Friday. 星期五. Saturday, 星期六. 星期六. And then Sunday, you can either say 星期天, 星期天, or 或者星期日, 星期日. Now, some of you may have noticed that all the words start with the same 星期 at the beginning, right? 星期 or 星期 is a word that means week. Literally, 星期 means star period. 星期. So our ancestor used to name the days of the week after stars or planets. For example, Saturday is the day of Saturn. Sunday is the day of the sun, and Monday is the day of the moon, so on and so forth. But then until Qing Dynasty, the Chinese officials thought, let's just make it simple and easy for everybody to say and remember. Well, let's just say Monday is 星期一, literally week 1, So 星期一 actually means day 1 of the week. 星期一. And then Tuesday is the day 2 of the week, so it's 星期二. 星期二. And then, 三 is 3, so 星期三 is day 3 of the week. 4, 4. 星期四, day 4 of the week, Thursday. And then 星期五, day 5 of the week. 星期六, day 6 of the week. Well, until Sunday, it's not 星期七. It's not 7 day or week 7. It's 星期天. 天 could mean sky or day. 星期天. Or another way to say it is 星期日. 日 means sun. So 日, 星期日, Sunday, right? 星期日. But 星期日 is a little less common than 星期天. 星期天. So again, the 7 days of the week in Chinese is 星期一, 星期二, 星期三, 星期四, 星期五, 星期六, 星期天, or 星期日. Okay, there are 2 other ways to say the 7 days of the week, but don't worry, they follow the same format, same pattern. We just use different words for a week. So this way, we can say 礼拜. We use 礼拜 to say week. 礼拜. Originally, 礼拜 refers to the religious service. So the Chinese people realized that, those Westerners, those Christians, they seem to do their religious service or worshiping at the same day of the week. So every time they do that, that means a week has passed. So let's just call their religious service a week. Why not? So 礼拜 has evolved and become another way to say week. 礼拜. So same way, 礼拜一, 礼拜二, 礼拜三, 礼拜四, 礼拜五, 礼拜六, 礼拜天. Tian, we just learned that Tian means day. So the worship day is Sunday. 礼拜天. All right. Well, the third way is to use 周 to say week. 周 means circle or cycle. So we cycle through the 7 days of the week. So the first day of the cycle is 周 一，周一 and then 周二、周三、周四、周五、周六、周日 is Sunday. So here is how you can say the days of the week in Chinese in 3 ways. Let's take a look at how we can use these vocabulary words in everyday conversations. Next, you're going to hear a dialogue between 2 friends, and they're talking about days of the week. Now let's take a listen. 今天星期几？今天星期三。One more time, a bit slower. 今天星期几？今天星期三。So, 星期三 is Wednesday. So, the question is 今天星期几 literally means today, week, what number? Okay, 几 is used to ask numbers, or especially lower number. So 今天星期几 is the standard way to ask what day of the week it is today. 今天星期几 And the answer is 今天星期三. We know 星期三 is Wednesday and 今天 is today. So this literally is 今天星期三, today, Wednesday. Okay, notice there's no 是, there's no is in this sentence. You could say 今天是星期三, which is also you're grammatically correct, but 今天星期三 is more common and it's perfectly fine. So 今天星期三, today is Wednesday. Now, let's say today is Friday. How do you say that in Chinese? 今天星期五 Day 5 of the week. 今天星期五 And what about Saturday? Today it's Saturday. 今天星期六今天星期六 What comes after Saturday? Today is Sunday, fun day. 今天星期天 Sunday. 今天星期天So to answer the question, if someone asks you 今天星期几 you can use this pattern. 今天星期 and then depending on the day of the week, you can say from 星期一、星期二、星期三、星期四、星期五、星期六、星期天. You can also use their alternatives to say week. So you can also say 今天礼拜 then days of the week or 今天周 of the week, days of the week. So this is how we can tell and ask days of the week in Chinese. Now let's review. Do you remember the most common way to say Monday? 星期一星期一 And how to say Tuesday? 星期二星期二 Do you remember how to say Wednesday? 星期三星期三 And how to say Thursday? 星期四星期四 Do you remember how to say Friday? 星期五星期五 And how to say Saturday? 星期六星期六 Do you remember how to say Sunday? 星期天星期天 And how to say today? 今天今天 Now do you remember how to say today is Wednesday? 今天星期三今天星期三 Well done! In this lesson, you've learned the days of the week in Chinese. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching. I'm Yinru, and I'll see you again on ChineseClass101.com. 再见!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description. Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.